Hey, so let's spin the wheel today. I got 43 spins and I did my task already for spinning the wheel, so I can spin the wheel at free will. And here we go. Let's see what prizes come up. I don't know that I'll be doing all 43 spins because I like to save some of my spins. And that was boring prize. Next. What is your favorite prize to get when you spin the wheel? The welcome cake is definitely not mine. Let me know in the comments what your favorite prize is when you spin the wheel. I don't mind money. Money's always good. Let's see. Oh my God, not another one of these. I'm hoping to get, I don't know what I'm hoping to get. Yes, this card right here is a good one. Purple is hard to come by. Let me see. What am I gonna get? Give me something good. I don't want coins. So, as you can see, spinning the wheel is another great way to get prizes. One more time. Give me something good. Give me something good. No. One more time. I want something good. I only need one more piece for that rare, the rare set here. I didn't even really want this set because I don't think I'm too crazy for it, but hey, whatever. Another welcome cake. Come on. One more time. See if we can get the last piece to this set. Oh, come on. Like, this is unnecessary prizes I don't need at the moment. I need something good. All right, y'all. I'm done with wait, one more time. One more spin and I am done. Oh, God. It doesn't want to give me anything good. All right. I think I'm done with that. But you see here at the bottom, it shows you the rare pieces. I have 3 of 4. And I don't know what it's supposed to look like. But we'll find out if I get the 4th one. Let's see what's going on in the box. Some more prizes. Oh, okay. And that's it. I think after this task I'm doing, I'm going to do the help task. If there's enough of requests on the board. If not, then I'm not gonna until someone's ready to help me, because that task is really, this one here with the hand, really a PIA. But anyway, that was spinning the wheel and the prizes you get. One more time before I go. I hope you enjoy that. Oh my God, oh really? All right, one more time. Something good for the viewers. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. All right. Well, that's it for spinning the wheel. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.